Good morning and a happy Tuesday. Wanted to show you guys something real quick on here. If you're home, since you won't have calculators, I have a quick assignment for you guys. Um, as you know, do it as a review of what we've done before. It'll be good practice for this calculator since you don't have your other calculator for some of you. But if you go to Desmos, start down here where it's the scientific calculator down at the bottom. Click on that. You can do all your normal calculations here. There's the fraction key, raising something. Um, there's your answer button, um, sine, cosine, tangent. But if you want to do some other of the functions we've been learning, if you'll click on function over here, it has your inverse sine and inverse cosine that you need. It also has, well, there's sine, cosine, and tangent for using it. It's already set up in degrees. You don't have to worry about that part. But it has the NPR and the NCR, and it has the factorial. So we're doing something with permutations today. Um, when you press that, it's going to give you a parentheses. So if you want to do 5p2, then you press the NPR and do 5, comma 2 in parentheses. So there's your answer, 20. So if you want to do something like 6 times, I guess you can just go back 6 times, and you can go back to the main to do your times button, or shift 8, the asterisk is the same thing as multiplying on the calculator. So 6 times um, 7p3, and that'll give you. So you can do all of those things on here. You can do all one string, but use this calculator, use the sheet that's on your assignment, and practice. All right, and have a great day. If you're still missing any assignments, please get those up to date and let me know when you have them finished. Have a great day. Talk to you later.